multiplying decimals. So it says 9/10 minus 3/10. We take, alright guys, this is subtracting and multiplying decimals. So it says 9/10 minus 3/10. We take 9/10, 0.9 minus 0.39876 to get 6/10. How many tenths? 6/10. The next one you would write it out as 9 2/1000 minus 3 ones. So 9 ones minus 3 ones. Actually, you just can bring down the 2,000s. 0.09876. You have 6 ones and 2,000s. I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. For number 2, I want you to stack the decimals so that they are on top of each other so that you will not make a silly mistake. 1 8/10 minus 9/10, which would give us 9/10. I'm going to do F. You need to remember that 741, there's always a decimal after that one spot. And so I lined up my numbers, and then I'm going to subtract. I'm going to borrow from the 4. To get 737 9/10 would be my answer. Alright, I'm jumping to number 4. Mr. House wrote 8/10 minus 5/100 on the board, and Maggie says she answered 3/100 because 8 minus 5 is 3. Is she correct? Well, you guys can think about that. 8/10 minus 5/100, does that equal 3? No, because you are not subtracting. If it was 5/10, yes, it would equal 3. But for this case, it is 5/100. So I'd want you to stack your numbers and subtract. Remember, 0.80 is the same thing as 0.8. So 8/10 and 80/100 is the same thing as 8/10. Real answer is 77/100. I'm going to let you guys do number 5 on your own because we did something very similar to it in class, and I want to see what you know. Sorry if I just skipped a problem. I don't know if I pushed record or not in the wrong spot. So, again, I apologize. 2 copies of 4, we're moving to the next packet of homework. 2 copies of 4/10. So 2 times 4/10, which would equal 8/10. 4 groups of 5/100, which would equal 2/10. Or 20/100. Okay, remember when you multiply, you're going to get bigger. So if you end up getting an answer that looks like 0.0020, that's much smaller than 5/10. This is much bigger. This is actually 4 times bigger than 5/100. Leanne multiplied 8 times 4 3/10 and got 32.24. Is Leanne correct? Use an area model. So you should use a model that looks like this. 8 times 4, 8 times 3/10. I want you to do that multiplication and see what Leanne did right or wrong, and tell me how she is right or wrong. Anne buys groceries for her family. Hamburger meat is $3.38 per pound. Sweet potatoes are 75 cents. Hamburger rolls are $2.30 a bag. If Anna buys 3 pounds of meat and 3 pounds of meat and 5 sweet potatoes, and 1 bag of hamburger rolls, What will she pay for her groceries? So what is this equal, what is this equal, and what is this equal? And then you need to add them all up to get your total. After you get what hamburger meat, hamburger rolls, and sweet potatoes are, you would need to add the totals all together, and that's how much you would pay. So just think about going to the grocery store and checking out, and that's what the cash register does for us automatically. So right now, your head needs to be the cash register. All right, if you write the answer of this riddle and get it right on the top of your paper, you'll get a piece of candy. Mary's father has 5 daughters. Nana. All right, I'll say it again. Mary's father has 5 daughters. Nana, Nini, Nini, No. Who is his 5th daughter? What is the 5th daughter's name? 5th daughter, what's her name? If you write the name on the top of the paper, you'll get a prize. Thank you.